Good morning, Junior 2. How are you? Welcome back again in a new lesson. Our lesson today is array. But before we start in our lesson, firstly, we need to know what is the meaning of row and what is the meaning of column. Okay, let's see. If we have some hexagon, okay, and put it side to side, this is called row. Side to side, this is called row. Okay, another example. If we have some squares and put it side to side, this is called what? This is called row. This is called row. Okay, but if we put it from down to up, this is called column. This is called column. Again, if we have anything side to side, this is called row. But if we have from down to up or from up to down, is called what? Row. Another example. We have some cubes and put side to side. This is called row. But if we have some cubes and put from down to up, this is called what? I listen to you. Excellent. This is called row. No, column. Sorry. So this is called what? Column. This is column, but this row. Again, this is column from down to up or from up to down, but this is row. Okay. In our sheet, we have the picture of cupcakes. Some of cupcakes and arrange. If we have from down to up or from up to down, is called what? It's called column. But if we have from side to side, this is called what? Row. Okay? Row and column. Okay, the next one. Here from what? From down to up or from up to down. So this is called what? Column. Excellent. But we have some chairs here. Go side to side, side to side, side to side. So this is what? This is row. Another one, side to side, side to side, side to side. So this is what? Is called what? Row. Okay, what is the meaning of array? Is grouped or set. Grouped or set, okay, of object. Can be picture, number, cubes, circle, anything, okay? Arrange by what? Arrange by column and rows. But we have condition. The row equal row, not any rows, and equal column. For example, here the first row, here the second row, here the third row. How many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have arrange rows equal rows. Okay? And how many column? Let's see. In the first column we have 1, 2, 3 elements. The next one 1, 2, 3 elements. The third one 1, 2, 3. And the fourth 1, 2, 3. So any element have the same what? Have the same. Okay, in the first one, this is array or no? Yes. It's any column here have the same number of object of the next column. Okay, and any row here have the same number of object of the next. Okay, the next condition. We have another condition. In any array, we don't have gap. What is the meaning of gap? Space, okay? Why? Look at here. Here, the next column have the same number of element here. Yes, here 3 element and here 3 element. But here, the next column that have how many element? 2. Okay, so any gaps in any group, this is called non-array. Look at here. Check all picture that show rectangular array. Rectangular array. What is the meaning of rectangular array? In here, make what? Make a rectangle. So this is called rectangular array. It's not important, okay? Or we can make square array, okay? Here, the element arrange in column and rows? No. So this is non-array. But here we have columns, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. And any column have 2 elements. Look at the rows. How many rows here? 1, 2, and any row have 4 elements. So this is called array or non-array? Array. Excellent. The next one, we have columns, rows, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the element here equal the number of element here equal the number of element here? No. Here 4 element, but here 2, but here 3, but here 5. So this is non-array. The next one, we have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 column. And any column and any rows have the same number of objects. Here 3, 3, 3. And here in any column we have 3 elements, 3 elements, 3 elements. So this is what? This is array. Here we have how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but have the same number of elements? No. Here we have 5 triangle, and here 2, and here 2, and here 2, and here 5. So this is non-array. The next one, how many pole? In any row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the next row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in column, we have how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and any column have 5 elements. So have the same number of elements. So this is array. The next for you. Okay, here, how many column and how many array? Ask me how many column and ask me how many array. In the first one, how many rows? Go side to side. 1, 2. So we have what? 2 rows. And how many column? 1, 2, 3. Here, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. And how many column? 1, 2, 3. The next one, how many rows? 1, 2. And the next one, how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many column? 1, 2. The next one, how many rows? 1, 2. And how many column? Go from up to down or from down to up. 2 rows. So any group here is what? Is array. Excellent. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. Here 2 columns. Okay, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my name is Miss Yara and your name is, for example, Muhammad and Ahmed. So any column, any array has a name. Okay, how? The name of array. How to get the name of array? There is the way can name any array. We know the number of row. The next word boy. It's a consist of any array. But this is a change and this is a change, okay? After boy, the number of column. For example here, what's the name of this array? 2 by 3. And this is a 3 by 3. The next one, what's the name of this array? This is 2 by 5. And this is 4 by 2. Okay, look at this is example. How many here rows? 1, 2. And how many column? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the name of this array? The name of this array, 2 by 3. Again, 2 by 3. So the name of any row, array, row by column. Row by column. Okay, the next one. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 2. So the name of this array, 3 by 2 array. The next one, how many row? Start from row, please, okay? How many row? 2. And how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the name of this array? It's called what? 2 by 4 array. 2 by 4 array. The next one, how many row? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many column? 1, 2, 3. So how many row? 4. And how many column? 3. So what is the name of this array? 4 by 3 array. Okay? This is for you. Homework. Okay. If we ask me color array and give me the name of array, how to make it? We know row by column, row by column, row by column. Okay, the first one, 3 by 2. So how many row? 3. Put point here, point here, point here. So we have 3 column, but not color. I don't know how many element in any row, okay? And how many column? 1, 2. So we have 3 column and 2 3 row and 2 column. It's very easy, okay? The first step, we determine how many row and how many what column. And the second step, start in a color. How many row here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't know how many element in any row. By column, by 2. How many column? 1, 2. So color 2 column and how many row? 5. 2 column and 5 row. The next one, 4 by 3. How many row? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And how many column? 1, 2, 3. After 3, make a line. And after 4, make a line and color. Okay? The next one, 6 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, make it 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. By 2, how many column? 1, 2. Line. After 5, after 2 column and 5 row. Miss, firstly what? Put RC. Row by column. Row by column. And make it For example, 4 only. Why? We have how many column? 5 only. Okay? Carry it. And the next one, how many row? 1, 2. And how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, make a line. Miss, stop. We have 2 rows. Excellent. The last one, 3 by 5. 1, 2, 3. And how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make a line after 5 column and 3 rows and color it. Okay, the next one for you. If we ask you how many fish in any group, please count with me. In Junior 1, we count how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But now we have how many row? 1, 2. Okay, so how many repeated 2 times? And any row, how many element in any row? 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So the number 3 repeated how many times? 1, 2. Now we can say 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So the first way, count. And the second way, how many row? 2. And how many element in any row? 1, 2, 3. So we can say 3 plus 3. Repeated addition. Repeated addition means adding the number more than once. The same number more than once. 3 plus the same number 3. Okay. If we look at how many column here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and any column, how many fish? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Miss, repeated addition. Why? We have the same number. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 6. So we have 3 ways to addition. The first way, from Junior 1, 6, count. And the second one from rows, 3 plus 3. And the third one from column, 2 plus 2 plus 2. But have the same result. Another example. In this array, we need how many elements here? The first way, count by easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's very easy. But now we know any array have the sum rows. How many rows here? 1, 2, 3. And any row have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first row have 4. And the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4. The second row have 4. And the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4. The third row have 4 elements. Okay, but we have the same number. Repeated addition. Excellent. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in my mind and open 4 finger. 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4. 8 in my mind and open 4 in my finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the second way we have another 12. And the third way we have how many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And any column, how many elements? 1, 2, 3. So the first column have 3 elements, and the second column 1, 2, 3. The second column, how many elements? 3. And the third column, have 3 elements, and the fourth column, how many? 3 elements. Okay, 3 plus 3, 3 in my mind, and 3 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 in my mind and 3 in my finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. We have now 9 plus 3, 9 in my mind and 3 in my finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 by 3 ways. The first one by count, the second one by count rows, element in rows, and the third one count the element in column. Okay, here ask me how many column here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elements. Okay, we give me 3 points. So we ask me count how many elements in any column. 3 columns and 3 points. So ask me what? Repeated the element in any column. So the first element, the first column we have 2 elements, and the second and the third. Third. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. The next one, how many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 column. Okay. And how many element? How many points? The first 1, 2, 3, 4 repeated. So ask me how many element in any column. 4.4 column. Okay. How many element here? 1, 2, 3. And how many element here? 1, 2, 3. And how many element here? 1, 2, 3. And how many element here? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. Plus 3 after 9, 10, 11, 12. The next one, ask me how many what? How many rows? 1, 2. How many element here? 1, 2, 3. 2 rows. And give me 2 points. So ask me how many element in the first row and how many the same element in the second row. 1, 2, 3. So the next row have the same number. 3 plus 3. Excellent. From double equal 6. Okay, junior 2. The second one, count the row and write addition equation. This is called equation. This is called equation, okay? The repeated addition is called equation. Okay, how many rows here? 1, 2. 2 rows. Okay, count by use rows. Okay, how many elements in the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one has the same number. So we can say 5 plus 5 equal 10. And the second one, and the second way, by use column. How many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 elements. Okay. How many elements here in this array by use column? So we have 5 points. Okay, in any point write how many elements. How many elements in the first column? 1, 2. In the second column, the same number. And the third column in any array have the same number of any one. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 from the double 4. 4 plus 2, 4 in my mind and 2 in my finger. After 4, 5, 6. So the third 2. And plus 2, 8, 9. And the fifth 2, 9, 10. Okay. How many row here? 1, 2. So write 2. Okay, how many put? How many dots? 2 only. Okay. Write in any dot how many elements here? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 plus 3 from the doubled. Excellent. 6. The next one, column. We have how many column? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have how many columns? 3. And put how many dots? 1, 2, 3. Equal. Miss must have 6 here. Okay, but how? How many? Okay, how many elements here? 1, 2. And here 1, 2. And here 1, 2. So write 2 in the first column plus 2 in the second column plus 2 in the third column. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 2 from doubled 4. 4 plus 2, 4 in my mind and open 2 finger. After 4, 5, 6. Okay, the next example. How many row? 1, 2. Okay, so how many dots here? 1, 2. Write here what and write here what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 from doubled we know 6 plus 6 equal 12. Okay, the next one. Column. How many column in the same array? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have how many column? 6 column. Okay, and how many dots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal. Okay, how many element in any column? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeated. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Plus 2, 4 in my mind and open 2 finger. After 4, 5, 6. Plus 2, 6 in my mind and open 2 finger. After 6, 7, 8. Plus 2, 8 in my mind and open 2 finger. After 8, 9, 10. Okay, plus 2, 10. 10 in my mind and open 2 finger. After 10, 11, 12. The next one. How many row here? 1, 2 row. So put how many dots here? 1, 2. Okay, and write here what? The number of element here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, okay? 4 plus 4. 4 in my mind and open 4 finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or from the double, okay? How many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4 elements. And how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay, how many elements in any column? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 times, okay? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. The next one, how many row here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Okay, so put how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many elements in any row? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So write 2. Repeated how many? 4 times. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. How many column here? The first column and the second column. So how many column? 2. Okay. How many dots? 1, 2 only. We have 2 column. Okay. How many repeated element? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many repeated element? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. The next one. Okay, ask me complete. How many rows here? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many blocks? Ask me by rows. Okay, so put how many dots? 1, 2, 3 equal. Okay, how many elements in any rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. And ask me how many column? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 column. We have 3 columns. Okay. How many blocks by use the column? We put 3 dots. Okay. How many blocks in any column? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6 plus 3. Put 6 in my mind and open 3 finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. The next one. How many rows in this array? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows. And how many blocks? By using row. 1, 2, 3 dots. Anyone have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10 from the double. Plus 5 after 10. Open how many finger? 5. After 10, 11, 12, excellent, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 blocks. Okay, how many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 column. So put how many dots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many element here? 1, 2, 3. And how many element here? The same number, the same number, the same number, and the same number. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, after 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 3, 10, 11, 12, plus 3, 13, 14, 15. The last one, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many blocks? 1, 2, 3 point. Okay, so put here how many element in any row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 18. Excellent. How many column here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So put how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So any column, how many element? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The same number. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 3, 13, 14, 15. Plus 3. The last one, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 blocks. Okay. The next one for you. And the last page for you. Here, ask me count. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many repeated? 4. So ask me in any row how many elements? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay? Goodbye in the new lesson.